What's up, guys? So today me and my brother Tommy are heading on our way to go pick up some running supplies and just a bunch of tools, and just heading on out and bringing you guys with us so you can see our greatest adventure today. It is cloudy out, super rainy and whatnot, but it is a beautiful day out, especially when you want to grab someone's nipples. But kind of on the weird note, but screw it, it's still funny. Why do you keep looking at my dick, dude? What's wrong with you? Oh, you motherfucker. So at the moment we are in a U-Haul truck. If you can see right there, there's the free storage sticker, and we've got your back. Old brother driving this big ass truck. Case of emergency, make sure maximum occupancy is 3 people per front of the truck, and something's huge, dude. But yeah, we're on our way to GE to get the stuff, and we'll show you what we're loading up when we pick up the stuff. Unfortunately, we're not allowed to record inside GE because they can sue you for recording buildings on their property, and there's, I guess, what's the right word? Technology and appliances?
No appliances.
So,
they don't want the technology or their turbines leaked to the public. You are under an affidavit when you start working with GE.
Oh, okay.
So it's illegal to film and record inside the GE facility.
So pretty much your ass is going to get slapped with a big old fine. And I don't want that.
Or jail.
Or jail time. And there's a cop following us on a motorcycle. I think he's trying to get the guy in the either, what do they do? Is it like a funeral line?
Oh, a bunch of them.
A bunch of them? Are they coming up? Oh, we finally showed up at GE, and I'm going to have to stop recording here in a little bit. I will let y'all see what we picked up shortly. Y'all enjoy. What's going on right here? Look at that right there. Who's that?
Wow, fit under that somewhere?
You might? Oh! That was Gatorade. Gatorade
See, it
fell.
says, look, right there, it says now hiring within. But you can't hire within something that ain't even fucking. What do they do? I tap that bitch out on red. Oh, fuck something up.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Like that, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? How about a little bit of this? I want some of that. Hey, just think about.
Look at that, dude. Look at that.
Yeah, tank.
It's called a tanker. Those go for chemical plants.
What they do is they drop that off at the chemical plant. That's going to run whatever kind of chemical through it.
Well, some of them they go on the rail cars now too.
Yeah. That one right there is set up for a plant though.
Yeah, you can tell
See all them valves on it? Yeah, where the valves go, there's going to be a bunch of valves hooked up to it, a bunch of different pipes.
Yeah.
That might be like a bypass tank or something where it's going to go into there before it goes into another tank.
Yeah.
They can open up certain valves. It's going to be run to it, or like a control panel. They can open up which ones that they needed in the plant. Could be. I don't know. Sounded good. I'm going to hurry up and get home with my pet goat.
You got a pet goat?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Is she bad?
Real bad. I give her a bath tonight. Ground rig right there, so they can put that up and start drilling. Everything around here is
can see the tools down there. There's a toolbox right here, toolbox right there with tools on top of it, loading machine, air conditioning unit that moves, and another little toolbox. And there's also more tools over here and right here.
So now you just pop off the cap of it.
They give people like the idea of what it's like to have a
You want me to put this with this?
and
Want me to put this with this?
whenever to make it Disney, make it like a big piece of styrofoam
Okay.
square like this, and make them step up on it, go back and forth with their eyes closed, and they ask how it made them feel, and they said they were Disney like they were passed out, and they're trying to explain to them that that's how they feel all the time. And then they made them like for the drop foot. They made them wear like one big high heel shoe and then a flat shoe, so whenever they were walking it would be heavier, and then you feel what the drop foot feels like. And then for balance issues, they put a shoe on and then a flipper on, and they had to walk with the flipper and stuff, and then they put it on at the same time where it gets so tight, the ASI is what it's called. But I just want to make it people understand that just because people look okay does not mean that they're okay.
It's a knife? I am flexible.
Okay, we're gonna have to do something about that.
So we got done sorting out all the tools, and if you see the wrenches are right here, sockets, screwdrivers and flatheads, wire cutters and pliers, and everything else is all right here. And there's more sockets and everything up there, and more screwdrivers and everything right there, but all the toolboxes are cleaned out. There's hammers over here, the welder is right here, and the AC is right there blowing everything, keeping the garage cool, and the rest of them are all right in here. But everything's good. We got everything cleared out and sorted out, except for what was on the table and on the floor and on top of the toolboxes. So we gotta go through everything on the table, toolboxes, and on the wagon to make it look a lot neater.
Don't give a shit.
And there's a truck for sale.
Wouldn't buy it.
There's a Dodge Ram.
Exactly.
Hopefully he didn't lock it.
Huh? I didn't lock my truck.
Yeah, no, it's something about this thing right here.
I didn't get this. I gotta get this.
I don't know if y'all seen that, but we are officially in Baytown, Texas now. Yeah, it's one of the biggest. Right there where it says Brew Wings, it used to be a Poncho's Mexican restaurant, which is a really good restaurant. it's like an all-you-can-eat Mexican restaurant. You have these little flags that you put at the end of your table when you're done with the plate, and they bring you another one. And unfortunately, it's not there anymore, and they turned it into a Blue Wings, which happens to be a bar and a wing place at the same time. I prefer Wingstop better. If you live in the Houston area and you ever been to Wingstop, you got good tasting wings, bro. You got good tasting wings. Will you stop staring at me? Today's episode is brought to you by Grizzly Wintergreen Long Cut. Premium wintergreen. It is really good. I use it on a daily. And it smells good. It tastes good. I don't recommend if you're under 18 using it. But if you ever tried snuff or dip or chew tobacco, I recommend it. You got change, mister? Oh. Dude, look, they got Krispy Kreme here.
Yep, got a Krispy Kreme.
Heck yeah.
They even got a fucking Circle K again, dude. Zen or what?
Up that. Got Mr. Brian today. He don't want to be recorded, I guess. He's still camera shy. He'll get used to it though. He'll get used to it though. And look at how small he's got. He's got such a beautiful smile. Just purchased a Ford Show motor, and the guy he bought it from was letting us use his engine jack stand to move the
pull it out or not?
Yeah,
I'll work. It's a little bitty one. I pushed it all the way in though.
It's kind of awesome. Some people are actually still like that. But there's the engine. Like I said, the guy's letting us use his engine stand to move it.
once you start driving, it's
And unfortunately, we got it flat, so we got to fix it. Daily life problems right here, guys. Daily life problems.
cigarette. And he went to freaking light it, and the lighter pushed up because he was shaking.
And broke it.
And he broke it. Well, he got so freaking pissed. He's like, "Fuck, man, this is my last cigarette. I'm fucking pissed." He took the fucking cigarette and he fucking just chewed it.
No, he
He
didn't.
said, "Fuck this," and he started chewing it, and he looked like a goat when he was chewing it.
Like this.
Yeah, no, he was like this. So I said, "Is that a good goat stick?" So from then on, we called him Goat Sticks.
He was pissed off.
Let me get one of your goat sticks. Yeah, he's a real good person, and I'm the only one he would.
Man, wide open field. That's where it's gonna hit. Yeah. That motherfucker might be down already. That might have been transformers blowing.
Oh no,
Think so?
no, not really. There's a rotation right there.
Yeah.
Now, F1 is about 60 to 70. F2 is about 80, 90. F3 is from 90 to 110. F4 is 110 to 125, and F5 is 125 and up.
Well, I don't think this old ass truck's gonna do 125.
Yeah.
That F5 that hits the fucking ground, we're out.
Yeah.
Damn, it's dark behind us now.
Yeah. So we had to stop at Walmart for a little bit and pick up some stuff. What they got?
They don't have the ball ones, the big ones. Yeah.
And we're about to be on our way back home. And so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment below, and if you can please help me out by reaching 1,000 subscribers, smash that red subscribe button and let me know, guys.